How to set up an event management company in Dubai. The city of Dubai is a cosmopolitan that hosts hundreds of topical events every year. An event management company offers services of organizing and managing events which involve devising the event concept, planning logistics, and coordinating the technical aspects before executing the modalities of the event. The event management business has extensive demand in Dubai for corporate events, marketing programs, general meetings, team building, gala dinners, product launches, award ceremonies, press events, and numerous other functions. The business activity, event management, comes under the professional license, which is approved by the relevant authorities in Dubai upon meeting a list of requirements and documentation. We at Commitbiz provide you with strategic business inputs, handle all the legal documentation, and give complete business advisory solutions to ensure a hassle-free business incorporation. Contact us today for more information on setting up a successful event management company in Dubai. Hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos and weekly updates on business setup solutions.